Are you curious about the charging speed of your iPhone? Knowing how quickly your iPhone charges can be useful, especially if you're troubleshooting slow charging or testing a new charger. This guide will help you determine your iPhone's charging speed with easy steps. Let's get started. Several apps can help monitor charging speed and battery health. Open App Store, tap Search, type Battery Speed Checker. I found this app's called Empire Battery Charging Check is a bit useful even though I'm not promoting this apps. Install these apps, tap Open. Open the app while charging to see information on your battery's current input power, temperature, and voltage. Compare results over time to determine consistent charging speeds. By following these steps, you should be able to check your iPhone's charging speed and monitor its performance. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.